hiccups, Neenan?
This is how you get rid of hiccups, okay? Now, if you were to drink the water, what side would you pick to drink the water from? This one, right?
Yeah.
That's how you drink the water, right?
Yeah.
Well, how you get rid of hiccups is you drink it from the other side of the cup.
Oh, that.
Okay, so here.
Now turn it around.
No, you don't turn it around. You drink it from this side. So you just put your mouth up to this side, to up here, and you drink it. There you go.
It spilled on me.
What happened?
It spilled on my shirt.
You didn't drink any? No, see, that's the right side of the cup. You didn't drink it from the wrong side of the cup.
Do you still have hiccups?
No. This, I watched my shirt.
Oh, you do have hiccups. Pappaw pulled a trick on you. You tell him you pulled a trick on me. Tell him.
I put a drink on me.
No, you pulled a trick on me. Tell him.
Drink on you. Why did you do that? You drank it from the wrong side of the cup.
Say, Pappaw, you pulled a trick. That was a dirty trick. Tell him. Say, that was a dirty trick.
That's all he had to do. He just did it wrong.
Neenan, tell him, say, that was a dirty trick.
You must have done it.
That was a dirty
You
trick.
must have done it wrong somehow.
Would you wash this?
Come on, we'll fix it up, okay?
But I need you to wash it.
We will. We will. We'll go wash it, okay?
But the laundry?
Yes, in the laundry.
Yeah.